Now next type of graph is frequency polygon. Question is draw a histogram for the following data and hence draw a frequency polygon. आता हांगा double question असा. Double question कसो draw an histogram. आता in previous video we saw how to draw an histogram. So in this case also first you should draw an histogram and after drawing the histogram you have to draw frequency polygon. आता frequency polygon कसो काडपाचो ते मागीर दाखयता. First like in previous video तुम्ही histogram draw करपाचो by using this data. So take your graph paper, draw x-axis and y-axis. So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Then write here y-axis. And this is your x-axis. Now group data will come on x-axis. So your group data is 0 to 10, 10 to 20 means 0, 10, 20, 30. So in line you can select. So maximum number is 60. So you can take 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. And what we are taking, these are marks. So write here marks and directly you write the scale also. Scale is x-axis 1 centimeter. This 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks. Then y-axis. Y-axis minimum number is 4 and maximum number is 10. So you can take this as 0. You can take 1, 2, 3, 4 also. But here हांगासर 10 जावचे ना म्हणून हांव करता हांगासर 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then write the scale on y-axis. Y-axis it is 1 centimeter is equal to 2 students. Here it is number of students. So here you write number of students. Then first draw an histogram. Now 0 to 10. 0 to 10 is 5. So 0 to 10 is 5. हांगासर 4 म्हणटा हांगा मदी 5. So here then 10 to 20. 10 to 20 is 7. So this is here it is 7. Twenty to 30 is 4. 20 to 30 is 4. Then 30 to 40 is 8. 8 is here. 40 to 50 is 10. And 50 to 60 is 6. Now this is an histogram. Now first question is over, draw an histogram. Then next is hence draw an frequency polygon. Now how to draw an frequency polygon? आता सगळ्यांचे आता हो हिस्टोग्राम तुम्ही काढलो एक एक बार जो आसा त्याचो मिड पॉइंट पळोवपाचो. ना 0 to 10. 0 to 10 मिड पॉइंट आसा 5. देन 10 to 20 हो तेजो मिड पॉइंट. 10 to 20 हो मिड पॉइंट म्हणजे 10 to 20 मिड पॉइंट कितलो जालो 15. 20 to 30 हो मिड पॉइंट 25. देन 30 to 40 35. देन 40 to 50 45 अँड दिस इज 55 म्हणजे सेंटराक बार आसा पळय तेजो सेंटर. आता हे सगळे सेंटर जे आमी सिलेक्ट केले ते सगळे तुम्ही जॉईन करपाचे विथ अ लाईन सेगमेंट बाय युजिंग युअर रुलर यू जॉईन देम. सो यू ड्रॉ एवरीथिंग विथ पेन्सिल. ऑलवेज यूज पेन्सिल. तुमकां सारखे विजिबल जावपाक जाय म्हणून हांवें स्केच पेन यूज केला. यू ऑलवेज यूज पेन्सिल. सो देन यू ड्रॉ join this midpoint centers with the ruler, with the sketch, with the line segment by using your ruler. So join this. देन आता हे जॉईन केले मागीर हांगासर पळोवपाचें आता ते जॉईन आमी सकयल हाडून जॉईन करपाक जाय आता सकयल हाडून जॉईन करपाक जाय म्हणजे आता हांगासर 50 to 60 हांगा 55 जॉईन जाला ना नेक्स्ट नंबरूय हांगासर तुमी एक एक्स्ट्रा नंबर बरयले जाता 70 एंड हियर यू एक्सटेंड दिस लायन हांगाच्यान हांगा एक्सटेंड करपाक जाय आता हो 0 हांगा 0 म्हणटको हो -10 जालो आता हेजो मिड पॉइंट पळोवपाक जाय 60 to 70 हियर इट इज 65 एंड हांगासर -5 येतली ते तुमी हांगा हाडून सकयल हाडून जॉईन करपाक जाय सो हियर लायक दीस हांगाच्यान हांगा सकयल हाडून जॉईन करपाक जाय सो नाव दीस फ्रिक्वन्सी पॉलिगॉन इज कंप्लीट सो हिस्टोग्राम ड्रॉ करपाचो एंड टू ड्रॉ फ्रिक्वन्सी पॉलिगॉन वॉट यू शुड डू मिड पॉइंट घेवपाचो 0 to 10 हाचो मिड पॉइंट 5 10 to 20 midpoint is this. So everywhere you select the midpoint and तो फक्त वयरूच असो उरपाक जायना तो सकयल हाडून जॉईन करपाक जाय म्हणून ही एक्स एक्सिसाचो आसा पळय 60 to 70 सेम मिड पॉइंट हांगा घेवप आनी तो जॉईन करप नाव लेट अस सॉल्व वन मोर एक्झाम्पल नाव नेक्स्ट केस we have class interval and frequency again you draw x axis and y axis. So this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. Now group data that is class interval will be on x-axis and frequency will be on y-axis. Now group interval, the class interval asa to 0 to 10, 20, 30 it is 0, 10, 20. So anga sir 0 give up then 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Here you can take 2 centimeters also. हांगा 2 centimeters सुद्धा घेतल्या जाता. Then we have 3 to 12, 3 to 17. 17 is maximum. So what I am doing, I am taking 2 centimeters. नाल जागो पावचो ना 1 centimeter घेत. So I am taking 2 centimeters. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Then 0 to 10 it is 3. 0 to 10 it is 3. So 3 is here. First we will draw an histogram. Then 10 to 20 is 9. 10 to 20 is 9. So here it is 9. Then 20 to 30. 20 to 30 is 17. Then 30 to 40. 30 to 40 is 12. And 40 to 50 is 9. 40 to 50 is 9. Again 9 is here. Then select the midpoints. Midpoints pair 0 to 10 hangasar midpoint घेतलो. Then here midpoint. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Then next hangasar सकयल हाडून टच करपाक जाय आमकां. सो हांगासर हो 60 जालो जाल्यार हो midpoint जातलो तेजो आनी हांगा नेगेटिव्ह हितून हांगा टच करपाचे. सो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ युअर रुलर जॉइन विथ अ लाइन सेगमेंट. सो लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करपाचे आनी जॉइन करपाचे. And join here. So like this you draw an frequency polygon along with an histogram. So when the question comes, question समज येता तुमका असो, draw an histogram and hence draw frequency polygon. So first you have to draw an histogram and then draw an frequency polygon.